Activa 6G is the famous scooter in today's two-wheeler world, and this is the scooter which is loved by everyone in the country. However, this is the scooter which comes with lots of goody features like new suspension system, start-stop kill switch, and external fuel lid, and many more. Hello everyone, my name is Manjot and you are watching Explore Drive. Today I am here to review the Activa 6G from Honda Two Wheelers. Yes, you got it right, the Activa 6G. Now this one is the 20th anniversary special edition which Honda has introduced upon completing 20 years of Activa trending in the Indian scooter market. Directly coming to the body design, which is quite similar to its predecessor, front apron is same except this chrome treatment. This is the 20th anniversary graphic. Personally, I really like this color scheme. Now coming to the front suspension, which is now telescopic fork suspension, and the front tire size is 12 inches, which makes the drive top notch. These are the same quadrilateral side mirrors. Coming to the multifunction unit, speedometer is now analog. Below there is a odometer, fuel gauge, and indicator pointers, headlight indication, engine warning indication, and there is also PGMFI graphic, which means that it has fuel injectors instead of carburetor. This is the pass toggle switch, indicator switch, horn switch. It also has a kill switch, which I feel is quite a useful feature in traffic so that every time you don't have to put the keys off. Now this is the multifunction switch, which is a compact console that has been installed with ignition, handle lock, seat lock, external fuel lid, which is similar to Activa 125. Tire information is also provided. Now the footboard area has also increased due to increase in wheelbase, which is now 1260 mm. This is the left rubber type footrest. Special edition branding is also written there. Golden Activa branding is also provided. Now coming to the rear suspension, this is the 3-step adjustable rear suspension which can be adjusted to 3 levels. Rear tire size is 10 inches. Activa 6G now has ESP technology, which increases the turbulence of air-fuel mixture and improves the combustion and hence increases the fuel efficiency. Similar grab rail is also provided. Now let's open the fuel lid. Actually you have to press it little bit hard and there it opens. Thanks Honda for providing this feature at last. In this one variant, both the rims are black. Exhaust size has also decreased somewhat. Now this is the right rubber footrest. Now coming to the storage spaces, there are total 3 types of storage spaces. First is the boot space, but in this you can't put a full size helmet. This is the first aid kit. Toolkit is also provided. Now let's close this, and you can also see that the new seat cover is also provided, which is brown in color. And the other 2 storages are carry hook storages where you can just put your groceries and all that stuff. Activa 6G now comes with 8 colors: black, dazzle yellow metallic, glitter blue metallic, matte axis grey metallic, pearl precious white, pearl spartan red, Matte Mature Brown, Pearl Nightstar Black. Now let's go for a quick drive. Maximum power has been reduced from 7.96 PS to 7.79 PS. But the loss in the power is I am not feeling right now. Also, maximum torque has also been reduced from 9 Nm to 8.7 Nm. Braking system is similar, which is a combi brake system, but now it has a equalizer too. And we have also done the acceleration test from 0 to 60 km per hour. It goes in around approximately 10.7 seconds. Now the main question is what about mileage? Honda claims that it has 10% more mileage than its previous model. And also I forget to mention that earlier that it is BS6 compliant now. So if you are planning to buy a new scooter, so this is the good choice that I can recommend you it for a city commute. Coming to the price, ex-showroom price for standard variant will cost around 67,600, and for deluxe variant it will cost 68,400, and for the special edition will cost around 68,200. The difference between the standard variant and deluxe variant is of only the LED headlamps. That is, in standard variant you get a halogen bulb instead of LED, whereas in deluxe variant you get a LED headlight. With this, thank you so much for watching. If you really find this review insightful, do like it and also subscribe to the channel to see more such reviews. Also, you can follow us on Instagram. The link for it will be in the description. Thank you so much.